Hey guys, we got the crap kicked out of us with thunderstorms today, but so we're packing up to finish up. We had a good night. But one thing I wanted to show off to you guys real quick, kept this in my pack, the camp shotgun. So this is a $70 wonder that I found on Gun Broker. It's a Turkish SS 410 or some bull crap like that. But keep it in a waterproofing bag, a fold-up shotgun. And all it is just one of these real simple single shots. Put it in there, close it up like you did, cock the hammer, off she goes. So you can take the butt plate off. There's a nice sling that you can put on it, and you will have in here, it's a good survival shotgun, a set of 410 shells that you can set on the stock like that. Pretty darn cool. Alright guys, so we had to start off on a different day because we got rained out there, but here's the basic setup of it. I keep it in a waterproofing bag because of rain and such, and it's super easy. Just reach in your waterproofing bag, pull her out. Now the cool thing about this is this Turkish made piece of crap that I got on Gun Broker. Alright, but you can find like at Walmart, you can get like the Hatfield ones and stuff and do the same basic thing. So anyway, take the butt off, pull your sling off, reach in there, kind of tight, get your shells. Alright, so first things first, you're going to put those shells on there, front to back. Now this is a 410, but you can also get them in a 20 gauge and a 12, but if you're out like camping or something like that and you're just doing squirrels, 410 should do just fine. Okay, so you got that on there. Okay, then you get your sling, open her up like so, thread it through that top swivel like so. And you're going to take the bottom right here, you're going to thread it through the little loop there, thread it through there, catch there. Then you take these two ends down here, and I made all this stuff myself. So take two ends there, tie it off, and put your butt back on. Now, this isn't the original butt that went on it. I added a limb saver just so it'll stick on there better. Otherwise, you're gonna have to bring a screwdriver with you and screw it back in, and screw it off and stuff. And that's just a pain in the butt. Just taking a limb saver on and off is a whole lot easier. Plus, if you got like a younger shooter or something, you can always do that. So now, you got a nice solid sling. You got some shells ready to go. Let's go find some clay squirrels. Oh, here we got one. Super easy break action. Down just like that. Put your shell in. Okay. Boom! Got it. Then pick out your shell. Get you a new one, because I bet you there's more squirrels out this way too. Let's see if we can find more squirrels in these woods. Oh, there's one in that tree down there. Got him. Looks like we're eating good tonight. Oh, there we go, one right there. Oh, it looks like I got a twofer. There's one up on that tree. He was just waiting for me. Not no more. Super easy to load, super easy to handle, very quick. We got any more lying around? We might have killed them all. Alright then. As you see, guys, it's a super easy setup. You can stick it right in the backpack. You can get it ready to go, locked and loaded within seconds. Highly advise you can build it yourself. Alright guys, so that was a real quick video that we did there. If you'd like to see more content like this, obviously let us know what's going on in the comments section. Like, subscribe, share with your buddies, and also don't forget to check out our friends over there at Workaday Custom Gun Leather. They do excellent custom work, all custom to order. Check them out.